Oh, she's looking perfect. She's very beautiful. Oh, you understand English? How it is possible? Ah, it's not real. Ah, it's costume.
Take a photo.
What?
你可以拍 take a photo.
Well, you need to speak English. I am tourist.
In the south of China, far from the imperial capital of Beijing, stands a palace that should not exist. A palace lost to history, destroyed in war, reborn from memory. This is the story of the Yuanming Palace.
Hello everyone. I am going to show you New Yuan Palace in Guangdong, Zhuhai City. I came to this place to show you this palace. Before going inside, there are such things here, and let me show here. There is a clock. There is something Chinese here, but I don't understand Chinese language. That's why I cannot say anything. And this is Zhuhai City. If we check around, you see that? So let's go inside. Dragon is Chinese culture.
Once there was a garden known as Yuanming Yuan, the old summer palace of the Qing dynasty, a masterpiece of human imagination. Lakes, temples, and palaces, blending Chinese elegance with European design. But in 1860, during the Second Opium War, it was reduced to ashes.
And by the way, entrance is free.
Burned, looted, erased. What remained was not a palace, but a wound in history.
Hello.
Hi. Ah, it's costume.
Take a photo.
What?
你可以拍 take a photo.
No, thank you. Thank you. You don't speak English, right? Well, you need to speak English. I am tourist. Guys, as you can see, she's selling his costume and you are wearing, and you are staying on the top, and you can make video or photo. And then there's another guy.
I've been going out of my way for us, and I'm not okay. The sun ain't gonna shine all day. Can't wait to see it on your face. Girl, you know, gotta do better than walking out and dodging the surface. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay. Open the curtains, ay. Baby I'm certain. Ay. I want it all, we come in, it's a coupe, and we go ring it right back. Tell him, man, you know I'm suited, ay. But I ain't never gon' slack. I had to study the map. I had to find where I'm at. The legend, a symbol of that. Symbols, I ain't gonna crash. Catch me in the cut, hun. Something like the dog running.
Looking like a temple.
I know what they want from me.
If you watch my previous videos, I visited some temples, but this building also looking like a temple. As you can see, they are making with costume. I think they will record the video. And you are going to make video, right? Yeah, photo. Not video. Okay. Oh, she's looking perfect. She's very beautiful. Oh, you understand English? How it is possible? Nobody speaks English in China.
No.
Oh, great. Oh, you are really lovely looking. This is your work friend, right?
It's my husband.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Wow, he's handsome. Good couple. Okay, thank you very much.
由相声杂技歌唱魔术表演，快看看，快来跳一跳，最新实验一位。
It's not real. I thought it's real, but it's not fake. It's looking real.
chuyển进来的还是再出去吧。然后我们里面有空调桌椅啊。
Better than walking out and dodging the surface. Ay. Every day I've been out praying my baby not hurt. Ay. All of the weather we doing, I promise it's worth it. Ay.
I love Chinese culture. There are too many interesting things. You see, every city there are too many interesting things. Too many. That's why I love China. It's a big culture, big history.
More than a century later, in the city of Zhuhai, China chose to remember, not with ruins, but with reconstruction. In 1997, a new vision emerged, the new Yuanming Palace. Not the original, but a reimagining, a second chance to walk through a lost empire.
Wow, it is huge. Oh, it takes long time to look around. What is that? And they built it, this palace, around the lake. Let's go to this side and check around. This is very beautiful touristic destination.
Here, fragments of the past come alive. 18 of the original 40 scenic wonders, rebuilt in stunning detail. Imperial halls where emperors once ruled. Silent gardens shaped by water and stone. And Western-style palaces, where East meets Europe in stone and symmetry. At the heart of it all lies Fuhai Lake, reflecting not just architecture, but memory itself.
Xinmin Kanpin. Again, they are selling candles. Yes, no? Oh. Hello. Oh. Under my feet. This is not candles. Candles also. Some Herbalife things, tea maybe, and gifts. And Herbalife, you see? And let's check around. Danger, deep water. And they are selling gifts and Herbalife. Very beautiful scenario. Wow. Teleferik. This is the amphitheater.
But this place is not frozen in time. Every day, history performs, imperial ceremonies, traditional dances, echoes of a dynasty long gone. Visitors don't just see history, they step inside it.
This is the fighting place, Chinese fighting place.
Yet questions remain. Is this truly history, or a carefully crafted illusion? A replica can never replace the original, and some say this is not preservation, but performance. Still, for many, it serves a deeper purpose. A reminder of loss, of identity, of a past that must never be forgotten. The old summer palace is gone, but here in Zhuhai, its shadow lives on. Not as it was, but as it is remembered. A question remains: can history be rebuilt or only retold?
I sweated a lot. I cannot walk more. It's too hot, really. This place is very big, very huge. Even there is a mountain. I have to climb to shoulder, even there. And so it's really hot for me. It's almost finished. I walked around all the lake and I tried to show everything around, but I finished, really. Thank you very much for watching my video.